Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of fake survey alerts that come from the site Winweesue.live. Winweesue.live is a deceptive website. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and many other browsers. It may be presented as some sort of browser survey alert or browser search contest. But it is not related to any browser, and it is not related to any decent company. Such pop-ups by Winweesue.live present fake survey alerts that try to gather a lot of personal details about users. These pop-ups may promise you some gifts, such as Apple iPhone 13 Pro or some other top gadget, in exchange for your sharing of your personal data, your name, your surname, email address, possibly your telephone number and other data. But we strongly urge you not to share any of your personal details through such fake surveys. If you do that, your personal data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So the only correct solution is to just leave this fake survey page, Winweesue.live. I also recommend that you carefully investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete other infections from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.